Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach you about the subject and the predicate. Okay? Every sentence we mention a person, place, or thing, and then we say something about that person, place, or thing. The person, place, or thing we mention is the subject. Whatever we say about the person or thing is the predicate. Separate the subject from the predicate in the following sentences. We will easily learn that what is the subject and what is the predicate. The boy stood on the bank of a river. Second one is the princess has a kind heart. Third one is I love eating chocolates. In first sentence, the boy is a subject and stood on the bank of a river is a predicate. In second sentence, the princess is a subject, has a kind heart is a predicate. In third sentence, I is a subject, love eating chocolates is a predicate. After explanation of the subject and predicate, let's do exercise number 3. Divide each of these sentences into subject and predicate. It means sentences has given and we have to separate subject and predicate. So in first one, apples grow on trees. So in this sentence, apples is a subject and grow on trees, it is predicate. Next one, the sun sets in the west. So the sun is the subject and sets in the west, it is predicate. Third one, the policeman caught the thief. So the policeman write in subject column, caught the thief, it is write in predicate column. Fourth one, the book on the table is new. The book is subject and on the table is new, it is predicate. Fifth one, the servant opened the door. In this sentence, the servant is the subject, opened the door, it is predicate. Okay, we have completed 1 to 5 and 6 to 10, it is your homework. Okay, the subject write in subject column and predicate write in predicate column. Next exercise 4. Match the words in A subject with the right words in B predicate. The moon match with shines by night. Tea is made in a teapot. Third one, breakfast is the first meal of the day. Fourth one, girls play with dolls. February is the shortest month of the year. Flowers bloom in the garden. Trams run on rails. Grapes grow on vines. Now exercise 5. Add predicates to the following subjects. Means subject has given and we have to add predicate. Okay, so you can add any predicate. I will do 1 to 5 and next is your homework. First one, hands. So we can add predicate lay eggs. Next one, aeroplanes fly in the sky. Third one, the teacher is teaching English. Fourth one, the stars shine at night. Fifth one, a fireman controls the fire. Okay, next you will do. Now last exercise 6. Add a subject to the following predicates. It means predicate has given and we can add any subject. Okay, so in first one Sham has written, but you can write any predicate. You can also write Ram has 2 motor cars. Next one, second, Riya has lost her doll. Third one, ship sails on the sea. Next one, hens lay eggs. Fifth one, grapes are on the plate. Okay, so you can write any predicate.